Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Fias Ntwari has been transfer listed. We are also going to talk about the rumors on Bruce Vuma. Please, before we start, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. We are only 27 subscribers away from reaching 1K. So, yeah, please make sure you subscribe. Let's start with Fias Ntwari, who, according to SABC Sport, has been transfer listed by Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are willing to let him go on loan. However, if an offer for a permanent move meets their terms, they'll be willing to proceed. So Fias Ntwari might be on his way out. Of course, the arrival of Ronaldo Lina was always going to cause some adjustments, some changes in that goalkeeping department. He's coming in to be the number 2 goalkeeper. So we have to offload one between Fias Ntwari and Bruce Vuma, and it seems like it's going to be Fias Ntwari, who has 2 years remaining on his contract. So it's going to be difficult to release him on a permanent move, and I don't think there are many teams in the Betway Premiership who will be willing to sign him on loan. We signed him to be the number 1 goalkeeper. This has been a terrible signing, and it's one of them ones where he can't sit there and say football's not fair. Kaizer Chiefs ruined his career and all that. He was given a fair chance. He started the first 5 or so games of the 24-25 seasons and he was terrible. So it's all on him. He was given a fair chance. He blew it. And yeah, now he's on his way out. And okay, let's talk about Bruce Vuma first before I come back to Fias Ntwari. I'm seeing some rumors, not from reliable sources, journalists, and all those platforms. He's been linked with a move to Milford and Amazulu. Now, look, I don't believe this story, as I've said. It's not coming from reliable sources. It's just signed a new contract, so I don't see Kaizer Chiefs letting him go. The plan here is keep Bruce Vuma as the third choice, and let go of Fias Ntwari. However, if it was up to me, if I have to keep one and get rid of one between Fias Ntwari and Bruce Vuma, I am definitely keeping Fias Ntwari and releasing Bruce Vuma. One's 31, one's 26. One has been at the club for 8 years, one's been at the club for two years. So there's room for improvement on Fias Ntwari. There's absolutely no room for improvement on Bruce Vuma. He's been at Kaizer Chiefs for a very long time. He's had a fair chance and he's failed. So for me, release Bruce Vuma and keep Fias Ntwari. There's still room for improvement. There's a goalkeeper there. He hasn't been convincing at Kaizer Chiefs, but there's a reason we signed him. There's a reason he's the number 1 goalkeeper for his national team. So there is a goalkeeper there. So yeah, man, I'd keep hold of Fias Ntwari. If it means I have to send him out on loan where he's going to play regularly, gain confidence and then come back after a season or two. But keeping Bruce Vuma over Fias Ntwari, I think that's absolutely criminal. I think it's absolutely criminal. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.